Sofia, something smells wrong. Like, very wrong.
Ugh! What's that stench? It's definitely something rotten.
Let's ask Diego. He's got a keen sense of smell. Diego, check the fridge. Is there anything in there that could smell that bad?
Maybe it's the food pack.
No. This smells better than us.
Nobody moves. We're checking every corner.
Oh my god. The vent is full of crimes.
What the We only just cleaned the whole station. Who's been cleaning in here? Fred, did you lose anything recently?
At my age, emotionally or physically?
How did he pass the medical? Wow! What on earth is that? Found it.
Ugh! Where did that come from?
Wait. I know this guy. It's mine.
Fred, how long has it been missing?
Maybe a month. Maybe since docking.
There's a biological threat on the ship!